Hey, welcome back to the Corvette Posse channel. I'm Rich, this is your first time here, and today we are going to be doing some paint protective film on my wife's brand new Honda Passport. So we're going to start off, I'm going to do the whole hood, and then the LJ's going to come over a little bit, and we'll do some forms here to be able to get this front bumper piece protected. So we'll go ahead and let's put this on a time-lapse thing, but did not buy a kit for this. Just decided that we'll just go ahead and I'll just lay the hood down itself, and we'll do the patterns for the front piece there. And I'm not sure if I'll do the A-pillars, if I'll do something on the hood or not, or the top there. I'm not really sure. But yeah, so we should do this. It's it's really not that hard. But obviously it'll protect the car, and this is brand new, so we want to keep it looking nice. It's black, so we'll go ahead and get film on this. We'll do it on the cheap, and we'll certainly protect it. And then, like I said, it's easy enough because I'm making the forms. We'll make the patterns for this piece here. It'll be easy enough if if something hits it, rips it, whatever, I can go ahead and easily replace it, not pay for another kit or pay to have it professionally done. So hope you enjoy. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started on this hood. First, what I would do is I thought I would just kind of walk through what tools we're going to need to do this job. So first, we're going to need some water with a little bit of baby soap in here. So I've just got a regular spray bottle, put just a little dab of soap in there, and then fill it up, most of the way, and that'll give you a good mix. Just make sure you keep it shook up. Second, you'll need a blade. There's got a little crafting blade, one of those that you can break off as they get dull. You always want to have a sharp tip to be able to work with. I've also got an old-fashioned letter opener, and what I do is I use this when I'm cutting large sections off, so that comes in handy. And then a squeegee, and I like the squeegees that have both the hard tip and the soft tip. Now the clear bra we're putting on here is self-healing, but I like to use the felt side just in case when you get around to the edges of your paint, you don't want to scratch up your paint any more than you can. You may need an alcohol water mix. I use like a 10% alcohol water mix, and what that'll help with is getting around the edges if we decide to tuck the edges or curl the edges around on the film. And then last but certainly not least is a heat gun. I got this heat gun at Harbor Freight, super cheap, and works a lot better than a hair dryer. So that way you don't have your wife hollering at you for using her hair dryer, but also this thing just works a little better than a hair dryer also. So, all right, we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Tidal wave, the brightest light, feeling like the ghost of you would keep me up the rest of my damn life. If you're gone, then I can't go on. I swore you'd be here to stay, holding on to make you one more day. Must be another way. Now you're free and I'm free falling. You never look back, holding on to make must be, we were good for a while, weren't we? Tell me I'm not losing it, I've already lost you. Can we just find a way to make it back to how it used to be when we could fall in love each day? If you're gone, then I can't go on. I swore you'd be here to stay, to make you one more day. Must be another way. Now you're free and I'm free falling. You never look back, holding on to make you one more day. Must be another way. must be another way. I thought I meant something to you. Maybe I just wasted my time. I thought I meant something to you. Maybe I just wasted my time. I thought I meant something to you. Maybe I just wasted my time. If you're gone, then I can't go on. I swore you'd be here to stay, holding on to make it one more day. Must be another way. Now you're free and I'm free falling. You never look back, holding on to make it one more day. One more day. Must be another way. Must be another way. Must be another way. I thought I meant something to you. Maybe I just wasted my time.
All right, so we're getting down here towards the end. Actually, so we have finished up the other side, just try to figure it out since this is a new template and a new car that we haven't worked on before. You can see you get down here to the very end, you really just, it works kind of some heat to kind of stretch the film out and work around the edges. But, so while LJ's finishing that up, I'll show you on this other side what we do. So, what we have here, what you start off with, basically you tape up the fender, and then you lay some paper on it. I've got this thing obviously backwards. You tape up the fender, put some paper on it just so you have some backing on it, and really that ends up being your template. And then you tape this all together, lay some paper on it, and then you lay it on the film, cut it, and then obviously just reverse it for your other side when you have two symmetrical sides like the front of this bumper here. So that's really about it. It's not that hard of a job. Like I said, the paint or the film is, you can buy a roll for about $130. You can buy, like I said, you can have this done professionally. Do a whole front end on the car. It's going to cost you about $1,500, $1,800, something like that. You can buy the kits, the partial bra on the hood and on the fenders here and the bumper. It's going to be about $300, $320, give or take, right around there. Or you can just go ahead and buy a roll, and the rolls vary. I buy 3M Professional. It's about $130, $140 for a 48 by 60. Now, LJ, what do you use on your cars?
Expel.
What's that normally run?
It's usually for that same size roll about $20, $25 more.
So yeah, so you can see, I mean, if you got just a little bit of patience and you just kind of work with it a little bit, you can obviously save yourself a ton of money. So we'll finish this up and that'll be done. My wife obviously will have her new car protected. As soon as I get my new, she can also get for the back of the mirrors and stuff like that. So we'll cut that out, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do the A-pillar or do up here on the rooftop or not. I'm not sure, but for sure the hood and these front bumpers are the ones that take the biggest beating. So, like I said, we got most of this car wrapped up, and we'll do a review on this car because this, like I said, my wife just got it. Since Corvette doesn't make an SUV yet, everybody's got to have a daily driver. So this is my wife. So we'll talk about this car. It's a nice little car, and I think that's about it, man. Hey, I know we're not wearing anything, but where can I get some cool merch at?
CorvettePosse.com.
CorvettePosse.com, 20% off. Check it out. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this video informative, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks. Have a great day.